Wow, look at these guys. Look at that. Isn't that amazing, harvesting your own fruit trees? Amazing. This is Tayberries. Look at that. It's huge. That's the raspberries, guys. That's the Tayberries. These are pears, guys. Look. Hey, look, guys. Today I'm going to harvest raspberries. Look at these guys. It's lots of them already. And they are drooping. So when we have fruit, they are drooping. This is red, and this is yellow.
Ripe.
They're crumbling, but they're not that as big, and some already rotten. It's because it was raining. It was hot. The weather was hot, and then it rains, and then it's hot, and then it rains again. So I think that's why the raspberries are confused whether it's summer or winter.
Because a couple of weeks ago it was hot, now
No,
it's cold.
Where over
There and
This.
behind us.
But
See, and more.
yeah,
There's another bunch.
there's another one here.
I can see pears
Our
or
pears,
something.
guys, look. They are growing. They're still tiny at the moment. But they're not as much as last year. Because the thing, guys, is fruit trees flowers more every other year.
Yes.
And this one, guys, is of this. This is Tayberry.
Rubus.
Yeah. It's Tayberries. Look at that. It's huge. But the thing is, there's a thorn.
You
This
got bird
is-
feet there.
Huh?
You got bird feet, yeah?
That's for the parakeet. I don't know if they're allowed to.
You can see cherries here. And they're out in the open, so they'll get eaten.
Yeah. So I
Look.
have to do that. So I'll just do this.
And our baby is there. Hello, baby. Love you. Love mommy too.
So that's the raspberries, guys. That's the Tayberries. Okay, and now going
They're out in the open. You can maybe pick them before
Yeah.
they disappear.
going to
They
pick
might be sour,
take
but I
this.
like sour.
Hold it. Wow, look at these guys. Focus. So this is so nice and tiny. It's a
Because
bit
if you
tiny.
leave them, then they'll disappear.
Last year, I don't have time to harvest because the bird harvested before I.
Yeah, and the birds
I do.
or the squirrels.
Yeah. And even though I covered them, half of them are already eaten. So sometimes it looks like it's so mean to put netting because I'm I don't want the birds eat it. It's only for me. But then sometimes I feel sorry for the birds. They needs to eat as well.
You put bird feet there, so
Yeah, that's why I
they
put
can have that.
bird feed. But then they are so fussy. They don't eat it. They want to eat the fruit. So this netting is very good.
They are 5 a day.
Yeah. This is what I'm telling you guys. So when the weather is hot and then it suddenly rain, this is what happened. The fruit doesn't continue ripening.
Our babies there.
It's good we still have some to harvest.
Hello, baby.
Hello, baby. The birds are so clever. I thought I am clever, but the
There's
birds
a
are
whole
more
bunch there.
clever. Huh?
There's a whole bunch there.
I think they are ready, perfectly ripe. If I leave this for another week, they will be dry.
Yeah.
That's why harvesting is timing. Timing is important. Sometimes I leave the fruit too long. They they are not as sweet as it used to when it's in perfect timing. Yeah. So and then I can prune them a bit now after harvesting so they can give more branches. Our baby is exploring.
Hello, baby.
Exploring. Hello, baby. Look at the camera. Say hello. Hello, world. Hello, whitey world. Okay. So, okay, guys. So this is the harvesting for today. The raspberries and cherries. So this cherry, guys, is I forgot the name of this cherry. I forgot the name. I lost the label. Yeah. Okay, guys. So look at that. Isn't that amazing? Harvesting your own fruit trees. Amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and will you please watch my other video if you want to see how I planted these cherries in the pot. So it's only in the pot, guys, and I planted strawberries around it, so it doesn't dry. The soil doesn't dry. Okay, guys. See you on my other videos.